Hey everyone, Miss Jennifer here. I just wanted to hop on and introduce you to our family fun kits for December. These are our Advent themed activities for you for this year, and I wanted to give you a glimpse of what's inside and what you can expect when you take one of these home to do with your family this December. So the theme for this year's Advent bag is called Dough Holy Night. And the idea behind Dough Holy Night is that we are making cookies together as a family. There's a video that goes along with the cookie making activity. You will watch that on our website while you're doing the activities. It will guide you through the entire step-by-step process of how to make them. And then you will get to listen to the Christmas story as well as sing some Christmas carols and have some discussion time together as a family. So I hope that this will be very meaningful to you and your kids and also very fun, because who doesn't like to eat Christmas cookies, right? So what we've done is we provided you with some instructions on this page. The recipe is also on here, but they do walk you through it in the video. But what we've done is we have went ahead and pre-packaged all of the dry ingredients from the recipe in a container. So all you have to do is dump the dry ingredients in, add your eggs, your butter, and your vanilla, and done, easy. So hopefully that will help, especially if you have younger kids. That will help make the process go a little smoother for you. Along with the story, there are some coloring pages in our kit that go with the story that you'll be watching on the screen. These are the actual characters in the story. We've also provided you with an Advent Adventure activity book. These are so cool. I'm really excited to do this with my kids. They have all sorts of fun activities, all different types of activities depending on what kind your kid likes. Like a spot the difference between the two pictures, and just endless ideas of things that you can do together to continue to point your kids towards the true meaning of Christmas, which is Jesus. The other thing that comes in these bags is a DIY paper nativity. So you actually are going to only have to cut out, all of these things are in this envelope. Cut and glue and assemble this together. You'll put it under your Christmas tree or have your kids put it in their room, because you don't have to worry about them breaking it, which is nice. And then of course in your bag there's also candy canes, because who doesn't love candy canes? We have 20 kits available. They are first come, first serve. If you do sign up and you have subscribed to receive our monthly family fun kits, you will get one of these. You don't have to sign up again. But if you have not, we still want you to have one. So go to journeyman.org, click on Children's Ministry, click on Family Fun Box, and register to get one of these kits while you still can before they are gone. And then you can pick it up this Sunday, or you can stop in and pick it up at the office. If you are worshiping with us virtually, let me know. Fill out the form. I can drop this on your porch so that you can still experience all of these activities with your kids at home. I hope that you will enjoy these kits that we put together and have a great Christmas season. Bye.